If you want to browse privately in Microsoft Edge, use InPrivate browsing. This is a quick and easy way to open a separate window that does not save your browsing history, cookies, or site data after you close it. It's useful when you're using a shared computer, testing a website, or simply want a little more privacy while browsing. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. To start, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three horizontal dots, which is the main menu button in Edge. Click those three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option that says New InPrivate window. Click on it and Microsoft Edge will open a brand new private browsing window. You'll know you're in InPrivate mode because the window usually has a darker look and clearly shows that it's private browsing. From here, you can search the web, visit websites, and browse as normal, but Edge will not store the usual browsing history from that session once you close the window. This is helpful if you want to keep your searches separate from your regular browsing activity, or if you're signing in to a temporary account. Keep in mind that InPrivate browsing does not make you invisible online. Your internet service provider, your school or workplace network, and the websites you visit can still see activity in certain ways. What it does is help keep your local browser data private on that device. If you want to open another InPrivate window later, just repeat the same process by clicking the three dots and selecting New InPrivate window again. When you're finished, simply close the InPrivate window and Microsoft Edge will clear the session data for you. So that's how to use InPrivate browsing in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.